Jamaica, watch
Jamaicans
this.
are being warned to remain on alert as an intense weather system threatens Jamaica and the wider Caribbean this week. US-based meteorologist Brian Shields issued a critical update on the outlook for Jamaica and the wider Caribbean.
We're going to see heavier rain. So in this spot here, really anywhere from Dominica, but a little bit more so, and keep an eye on Martinique, St. Lucia south, we're going to see really heavy rain. Again, it's not a developed system, but you see this big blob of rain moving in. Barbados, Grenada, we've already had some of the rain this morning, right? So I'll be watching your comments as we go throughout the day. Substantial rain in this sector here. Now, monitor mode. We're going into monitor mode for the potential of a system at least nearby. So as I mentioned, Jamaica, Haiti, the Dominican Republic, and Puerto Rico. I value lives and property, no doubt, very much. I know your time and resources may be different, so I want to make this clear. Monitor mode doesn't mean action mode yet, but it does mean we're starting to think about, hey, what do we need to do if a hurricane is going to roll in? Action mode is the next step. That's when we make those full throttle preparations for a hurricane. Right now, we're in monitor mode, so I do appreciate you spreading the word about this system. Jamaica, Haiti, the DR, back through Puerto Rico for the potential of a system nearby. Still a lot of uncertainty with the track, but what may develop in the Caribbean may get pulled north. Now, this may shift eventually, watching Cuba, Cayman Islands. We'll keep an eye on Nicaragua, Belize, for example, Honduras. We'll see how this plays out. I'll show you both scenarios in this video, but we're now in monitor mode. That's a heightened state, not action mode yet, in spreading the word about a potential system that could be nearby late in the week and by the upcoming weekend.